Hi everyone, I'm Ashley from NPC More, and in this video we're going to be talking Felco PowerBlades. Now here's the lineup here. There's 3 models available. For vine pruners, the 802 is lightweight, it's smaller, and it has a 30mm cut. This one is ideal for vine pruning. If you need something a little bit more versatile, the 812 in the middle here is a good all-rounder. This will cut up to 35mm. If you're making tougher cuts, Bramley for instance, the 822 is the better model for you. This will cut up to 45mm. Now, I should add, Felco have made a few changes from the PowerBlade, from their previous model, the Felcotronic. So these blades are fitted with an X Pro blade. This is made from high-speed steel and ensures a precise, clean cut, as well as a blade that lasts a little longer. So we've also got here the soft touch comfort handle. So if you're pruning all day, this is extra comfortable on your hands. These models also have a progressive trigger with them, and they link up to the Felco app on your smartphone. Now the Felco app, you don't have to use it, but it's very easy to link up via smartphone. This will note any cuts, hours, as well as a countdown towards your next service. You can also change the blade settings, so you can reserve some battery life by not having the blade fully opened. You can set it to 50, 60 or 70%. The kit also comes with this carry case. Inside the carry case, you get a grease pump, a diamond sharpening stone, a Felco holster, and of course the power pack. So it doesn't have to be worn as a rucksack. It can be worn in many different ways depending on what your requirements are, but it's very lightweight, it's compact, and it does allow freedom of movement. Now within here is the battery pack. So there's an LED light here that can tell you how much is left. You can also view how much battery is left on your Felco app if you're linked up to that. We also sell a double capacity battery. It still fits in here, but it is ideal for use, particularly with the 822. This is a much more powerful tool, and it does require the extra power, so the double capacity battery is recommended. Now it's very easy to set up. Just plug in your cable, switch it on, and then you can connect to the app and start pruning. To keep your power blades or manual secateurs in tip-top condition, we do recommend the Felco 980 spray. This will protect, lubricate and clean the tools, and is a good idea to use after every use. We also sell the grease refills as well, and Felco have recently launched this sap cleaner too. We can also recommend other accessories that we stock, such as the Felco gloves. We also sell leather holsters for these, as well as a wide range of manual secateurs, spare blades, sharpening stones, and holsters as well for those. If you're unsure about which secateurs that we stock, we do have a handy guide on our website. This is also useful if you're not sure which handset to go for. There's a bit of a description on each one. But if you've got any further questions about anything you've seen in this video today, or the manual secateurs and accessories, then please do call us in the office. We'll be happy to discuss further, or it'd be a good idea to find out what offers we've got on at the moment as well. Speak to you soon. Bye bye.